within.
And as with any trait, such as height or yield or disease resistance, we also see a variation in the nutritional properties within that species. They're not all the same thing. So we need to characterize that and understand which particular types of a species are going to be most beneficial in terms of nutrition. And then we can come to the breeding of important traits, as with the orange flesh sweet potato, as with the work that's been done here on biofortified vitamin A cassava and maize. We can actually enhance through breeding the nutritional value of the crop, so we can address some of these deficiencies. As I mentioned, vitamin A, also iron and zinc. Africa, namely cowpea, maize, soybean, cassava, yam, bananas and plantains. And particularly for cowpea, we have the largest collection in the world. Cowpea is a crop which is indigenous to West Africa, and also for yams. So conservation of those and the diversity of those. For cowpea, for example, we have 16,000 different types of cowpea. So that's that is major diversity, and that is held in trust. It's not IITA materials, it's held in trust for everybody. So all the time we are distributing seeds of those seed crops or tissue culture material for cassava, yam, banana, etc. We're distributing every time. So that's going to the breeders, it's going to research, it's also going to the farmers. And we have specific instances where we've been involved, if you like, in recovery from things which have happened to agriculture in particular regions. In southern Nigeria, there was a flood some years ago. We were involved in replenishing the stocks of some of their crops, and during COVID, we were very much involved not only within Nigeria but in other countries as well, in helping that recovery, where there was a sort of disconnection in the supply of seed to farmers. We stepped in, and working with the breeders and others, we were able to supply material in those situations in Nigeria,